So we're actually here at the Mid-America Truck Show. We decided to stop in at the Alcoa booths, and standing next to me is Brian, who's going to tell us a little bit about the products we've got going on in the background. So Brian, tell us a little bit about the history of the company, because I think it's pretty cool that it's been around for quite some time.
Well, we are Alcoa Wheels, and Alcoa as a corporation started about 128 years ago. We started out of a small town in Oberlin, Ohio, and our headquarters are in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. We make a lot of our wheels in Cleveland, Ohio. Everybody knows us as Alcoa Wheels. Same sticker on the wheel, same company.
And a little bit of history too. You mentioned before, I thought it was pretty cool. The first aluminum wheels. What year did those come out?
We invented the forged aluminum wheel in 1948. And the really cool thing is our first customer was Mack Truck. They're here at Matt's displaying, and they're displaying our new wheels. Here we are all these years later.
We've got two different kinds of wheels. We've got some nice polished aluminum wheels, and then we've got the black ones.
Gosh, maybe 20 years ago, 15, 20 years ago, we invented a patented surface treatment called DuraBrite. We came out with the first generation. We had it for a number of years, and then we came out with the second, and now we're on actually the third generation, which is DuraBrite Evo. We've got, I'm not sure if you can see over my shoulder, but we've got our DuraBrite black wheels. It's a concept wheel. It's the same wheel, same patented proprietary process, but available in a new style. And it's interesting because we've been showing these over the last couple of weeks, couple of months, and we're showing them here as a concept at Matt's, and we're getting a lot of really good feedback. So DuraBrite is a patented surface treatment. So you have painted wheels that have, when you look at it under a microscope, you can see the metal underneath the aluminum or the steel, and then the paint actually sticks on top of it, right? And it's a layer. Well, that paint can peel off, it can corrode, it can peel, it can chip off. Well, DuraBrite, the way we not only we're maintaining the wheel process from forging all the way through finished product, and what we're doing as we go through each step of that is we're preparing that metal, getting it ready for the DuraBrite surface treatment. So when you look at DuraBrite, it's not like this, it's like this. You can't see where DuraBrite stops and the aluminum starts. And what that does is it's making a better molecular bond, so it's not going to chip off and it's more robust. In forging, we're taking a piece of billet. It's a piece of aluminum, and by the way, we changed alloys a couple of years ago to our MagnaForce alloy, which is stronger, and it was an additional advancement. So you're working with a better material. We start with a better proprietary alloy that we call MagnaForce. Then we take it and we start to build it into a wheel. We hot press forge it, and we've got a couple of plants across the country, across the world. Most of the wheels here at Matt's are made in our Cleveland, Ohio facility, so USA made. We take the piece of billet and put it through our forging process, where we're applying, as you mentioned, a lot of pressure, 8,000 tons of pressure.
Which is impressive.
And then from there we start to machine it, we put in the hand holes, we polish it, that's when the DuraBrite process comes through, and then you finish up with the finished wheel.